I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need.
Hey guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the 25 DIYs of Christmas. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can keep up with the DIYs. I'm doing one every day for the next 25 days. Today is day 3 and we're making a DIY flaxseed gel ? This is not made from your traditional method. The traditional method calls for extracting the mucilage from the flax seeds. In this particular recipe, we're going to be using other ingredients to combine and make a similar gel that's more stable. I am utilizing hydrolyzed flax seeds in order to get the benefits of flax seeds without using the mucilage, which is more prone to going rancid. We all know it's hard to preserve. Almost impossible to preserve flaxseed gel. So now we're going to use other ingredients like distilled water and vegetable derived thickeners to get that beautiful texture that we're looking for in the benefits of flax seeds. So I have my distilled water, which has already had its preservative added into it, some vegetable glycerin, some HEC, which is also a vegetable derived thickener, and then I also have some xanthan gum clear, which you guys know I love and use all the time. This is also a vegetable derived thickening agent as well. Okay, so I'm going to split this video up into 3 parts to make it a little easier to understand. We have phase A, phase B, and phase C. Phase A is basically the glycerin and xanthan gum. Xanthan gum can be very hard to hydrate and tends to clump up when you're trying to hydrate it to get that jelliness from it. It's basically a gelling agent. So what you want to do is you want to disperse it into the glycerin and mix it well to create a slurry. This way when you add it into the water, it will not clump and it'll be a lot easier to combined. Okay, and that's it for phase A. Super simple, right? So let's move on to phase B. This is just going to be our distilled water and our other thickener, which is the HEC. So this ingredient was formulated so that it can disperse easily in the water. So, it's not going to clump. You don't have to worry about mixing this with glycerin, which makes it a lot more easy to use than xanthan gum, but it provides a different type of jelliness than the xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is a lot more snotty, I guess, if you want to say, whereas the HEC gives you a more smoother consistency type gel. So combined, they just provide the perfect textured gel if you're trying to find something a little similar to flaxseed gel, not exact, but similar. Okay, so once I've added the HEC into the distilled water, I'm then gonna add in my slurry and mix that up well using my immersion blender. This is just gonna help them hydrate faster and make sure that they're well combined into the distilled water. Okay, and yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. This will not completely hydrate the HEC and xanthan gum. You will still need to allow it to sit to make sure that they use all the available water and are fully hydrated. I think I let mine sit for maybe a day or 2. I believe initially the first day I let it sit, and then a second day I let it sit, and it reached that final beautiful, clear, thick viscosity that I was looking for, and it was absolutely beautiful. So when you first use your immersion blender, you will see that it's like white and thick and kind of foamy. This is okay, guys. This is exactly what you're looking for. Don't worry. Once it's settled down, it's going to become that gel that you're looking for. Okay, so before we allow this to sit and settle down, we're going to move on to phase C, and this is the part that's going to actually make this a flaxseed gel. We're using the hydrolyzed flax seeds to get the benefits of flaxseed gel mucilage without using the actual mucilage. Okay, we're just simply going to add it in, and it's going to give us all the benefits that we would get from having normal flaxseed gel. Okay, so all the properties of flax seeds will be in this one ingredient, and that's it for phase C, you guys. Very simple, very easy flaxseed gel. What do you guys think about that? Because it's like basically trying to find a way to reap the benefits of these ingredients that we love, but in a more convenient way that's a little bit more easier to store. You know, you could store this at room temperature without having to put it in the refrigerator, or if you like to put it in the refrigerator, you absolutely can. But opposed to regular flaxseed gel, which you have to make small batches or use up quickly, or make sure you refrigerate, and even then it still goes rancid within the week, you know. So if you're a busy person, you're on the go, and you're looking for something a little bit more convenient and still reaping the benefits of this beautiful gel, then maybe give this a try. It could be a perfect or a really great alternative. Okay, I have used it. It hydrates my curls instantly. This is something that will revert your hair if it's straight. Okay, so this gives you so much hydration, and then it gives you that slip that you're looking for, and then it also slicks down the hair. If you use too much, it will give you a really hard cast, and it would flake. Okay, so you want to use just a tiny bit, which is what I did. I had a beautiful hydrated plump curl, sleek, no frizz, beautiful. I have been using regular normal flaxseed gel since 2013. It also flakes. I used to cake it on and it would flake. So with any gel, you want to be careful with how much you use and make sure you're using it correctly so that you will not get any flakes. Okay, and so there is no confusion, I did use a preservative. It was already in the distilled water. It was the liquid Germall Plus. It is water soluble, so I went on and added into the distilled water before starting this formulation. I will talk more about preservatives, you guys. I promise it's coming up. Okay, liquid Germall Plus is a very effective preservative that is great for water-based gels like this that are easier to go rancid. But even with a strong preservative like liquid Germall Plus, I wouldn't recommend it for regular flaxseed gel mucilage like the real flaxseed gel, because it's still going to go bad really fast. It's just one of those ingredients like aloe vera that just cannot be preserved well. Okay, I just highly recommend you make small batches, use it up quickly, and put it in a refrigerator. Okay, now with something like this, as formulated using more stable ingredients, cosmetic grade ingredients instead of food-based ingredients, because flax seeds and okra and aloe vera, those are all food-based ingredients. You want cosmetic grade ingredients like HEC and xanthan gum that are formulated to be stable and last longer and not go as rancid. I think liquid Germall Plus is the perfect preservative to use, especially when you're testing. Do your own research. You know, it has been linked to have some negativity to it, but like I said, it's about perspective of a small amount of ingredients. You're using this at such a low usage rate, and then it's also going to provide you the benefits of a longer shelf life. So just weigh your pros and cons and then make your own decision. Okay, so that's it, you guys. Look at this beautiful texture. What do you think about this? It's a little thicker than regular flaxseed gel, but I think it mimics it perfectly. I think this would be the perfect alternative. Definitely give this a try, you guys. Would you give it a try? Leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. I try to reply to as many of you as I can, but there's a lot going on right now. I'm still processing orders, and of course the 25 days countdown, so it's a lot. Okay, but yeah, I think I want to play around with this some more. I think I want to add an emulsifier and some emollients to see if I can get like a really beautiful curling custard or some kind of flaxseed curling styling cream or something like that. So I'm gonna play around with this a little bit more. I'm really loving it right now. So yeah, you guys, if you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment down for me. If you're looking for the full list of ingredients, measurements, or links to products and ingredients that I have used, check the description box as well. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and all that good stuff, and also hit that notification bell, subscribe, and like. It is the only way you can keep up with all the videos I'm coming out with. I'm doing one video every single day for the next 25 days. And hey, there might be some giveaways in there as well, so make sure you stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn.